Today we will be discussing on how to install NMAP on your Fedora 23 system. To begin with, we will execute the terminal in which to enter our commands. The first command will be as follows: dnf-y install nmap. When we execute this command, it will tell us that we need root access to install the nmap package. But for the beginners, we will go ahead and install it as follows. With this command, how you will fix this issue, you will need to put either sudo or su in front of your command. Upon putting in sudo, you will need to enter your password for the account. In this case, my system already has nmap because I am cooler than you. The next step is to install the GUI interface to make running nmap commands easier. You can search for additional nmap packages by using the search command within DNF, which is as follows: DNF search nmap. As you can see, we have two front-end arts listed. We have the NMAP front end and we have the UMET front end. I prefer the NMAP front end, which is also referred to as ZenMap. Now that we see these are available, we will want to install one or the other using the dnf-y install nmap. And don't forget your sudo command. At this point, you can either run nmap via the terminal, or you can execute the GUI front end by typing in sudo zen-map for ZenMap. Thank you for watching the video. Now go grab a coffee and watch some pornos.